Hi everyone, welcome to QBO Tips. This one's going to be for those of you who ship product to your customers, specifically for those of you who ship products to multiple locations for a given customer. Today we're going to go through how to set up multiple ship-to addresses for your forms in QuickBooks Online. You're going to accomplish this by setting up sub-customers for each of the different locations. Let's take a look at how to do this. Okay, let's make a new ship-to location for Amy's here. I am just going to copy the customer name because I'm lazy. There's multiple ways to add a new customer. I'm going to use this little plus icon because it's quick and easy given the screen I'm on. I'm going to want to change the display name. Otherwise, I may have confusion when I am trying to pick which location in the future. I am going to check that it is a sub-customer over here of the parent of Amy's. The bill with parent, don't worry about that unless you use delayed charges or you make time and expenses billable. If you don't, then it really doesn't make any difference at all. You'll see that the billing address and the shipping address from the parent, Amy's, automatically comes over. You can change the billing address if they don't have centralized billing. If you need to, you can uncheck the same as billing, and that's where I can enter my second location's address. And then I just save it here, and I'm all done. I have Amy's up here with the Finch Street, and I have the sub-customer here with my new Main Street address. And if I create a new invoice for the sub-customer, it populates up to my Main Street address. Simple as that, guys. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.